were full. Nick Einhorn.
Well, hello and good evening. It's great to be with you all for the Wackle Christmas Gala 2020. And I am joined this evening by Karen Blackett and Isaac. Give us a wave.
Hi.
Hi. And we've also got Sam Phillips with Max and Lulu. Give us a wave.
Hey, Lula.
Oh, Lula. Sorry, that's my fault. So Max and Lula. So it's lovely to see you all. And, you're probably wondering how a show like this is going to work. We've also got Helen Weisinger on the line as well, and Anna as well. So a big hello to you as well. You're probably wondering how a show like this is going to work, because I'm here and you're there, and I can't physically ask you to take a card, and I can't give you, borrow your watch and then smash it and then put it back together again. And I'm definitely not going to be using mine. But despite the fact we're not in the same room, I've been performing these shows for the last 6 months for audiences all over the world, and I've discovered that it's entirely possible for me to do something amazing here and have you experience it there. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing this evening. So even though I may not be in the same room with you, and you may not be part of this virtual interactive audience, you can still take part at home. Now, to start off with, I have an envelope here. And this envelope contains a prediction of something that's going to happen in about 10 minutes' time. And I'm going to leave that behind me, and that envelope won't leave your sight even for a second. But for everyone else, I want to show you something with these 4 very large cards. In fact, I've got 5 of them, 5 very large cards. In a moment, I'm going to show you them. And I want you to remember just one of them. So I want you to lock one of these cards in your mind. Please, would you go ahead and do that now? Just remember one of those cards. And hopefully you've all got one. You can see that I genuinely only have 5 cards, but in a few seconds' time, one of them is going to disappear. Now there are only 4 cards. And if I've managed to do this correctly, your card should now be gone. And if it has gone, then this is going to freak you out even more. I want you to reach down underneath your seat, your sofa, wherever you are sitting right now, and you will find the card that you were sitting on. Right, everyone, try it. Reach down, have a look. No, you won't. You won't, because it's not really there. I'm sorry.
Don't be silly.
Yeah, there's a limit to what I can do through the screen. But it was fun to watch everyone trying to reach underneath anyway. Now I want to interact with someone here, and I'm going to go to Karen and Isaac, and I wonder if you could just unmute yourself if you're muted. And a very good evening to you. How are you?
We're good. How are you, Nick?
Fantastic, thank you. Now I've got a little toy with me, and this toy is the biggest selling toy of all time. It was invented in 1974, and I wonder, Isaac, if you could tell me what it is. Have you got any idea what it might be?
No.
This toy is so popular that I think every single child in the world has got one of these, or at least played with one of these. I'll give you another clue. It's not Lego, and it's not a Barbie doll. That comes up quite a lot. Any idea?
Action Man.
It's not an Action Man. What about anyone else? Anyone got any ideas?
Wibble wobble. Ah.
Yes. The Rubik's Cube, yes, invented in 1974. Now I'm going to mix this up. By the way, do you know the world record for solving a Rubik's Cube?
No. How many seconds?
Believe it or not, 4.22 seconds.
Wowzer.
It's insane. And if you want to see the guy do it, it's on YouTube. Check it out. Not now, because that would be rude. But check it out after the show, and you can see him solve it in 4.22 seconds. And the reason he's able to do that is because it's been said before that any Rubik's Cube can be solved in 7 moves from any single point. But there's 42 quintillion different ways to mix it up. I'm going to try and beat my own personal record tonight. It's 3 hours, 24 minutes.
We haven't got the time, have we, Isaac?
You look a little bit concerned there, Isaac. Isaac, I wish you were here right now because I give this to you to mix. But seeing as you're not, I'm going to mix it up a little bit and you're going to help me mix it up even further. So if I hold it like this and I start turning it, say stop at any time.
Stop.
And do you want me to move the top, middle, or bottom?
Bottom.
And how many times? 1, 2, or 3 times?
3 times.
1, 2, 3. Okay, let's move it around. Say stop.
Stop.
Right, left, or centre?
Left.
Left. That will be this one here, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, how many times do you want me to move it?
3 times.
1, 2, 3. Let's do it one more time. Say stop.
Stop.
Top, middle, or bottom?
Top, please.
How many times?
2.
2, 1, 2. Are you happy that's mixed, or would you like me to mix it some more?
That's next, I think.
Okay. Now, this is not about me solving the cube. However, behind me, I don't know if you can see this, there's another Rubik's Cube that's been sitting here the whole time. It's a long way away, so let me just grab that and bring it closer to the screen so you can see it.
I've got my glasses on.
Wouldn't it be amazing, Isaac, if you managed to mix the cube so it matched the one on my shelf? That would be amazing. I mean, it doesn't yet, but if we have a look, I think you'll find that those patterns match exactly. Not just on side number 1, but on side number 2, side number 3, side number 4, side number 5, side number 6. That's all 6 sides. Thank you very much for your help.
Round of applause for Nick.
Thank you. Now I will try and solve this in 7 moves. I'm also going to try and do it with my eyes shut or blindfolded, and I'm also going to do it with one hand. So I'm going to take a good look at that cube, have a look at the way in which Isaac mixed that, and I'm now going to take my glasses off. I genuinely can't see a thing. As good as blindfolded. But I will turn away and I'll close my eyes. And here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh my good.
7 moves.
Wow.
And that's it. Complete.
Ow!
Are there any questions so far?
Sorry, we're all...
Are you so good with a Rubik's Cube?
Many questions.
Yes, question.
Yes, lots and lots of questions. Well, let's do another one. This time I'm going to go to Sam Phillips, and we're going to go to the house of Sam Phillips. So let me just let me bring you to the screen and say hello. How are you doing?
Hello, we're very well, I think, aren't we?
Yeah.
Very good to see you all. Very good to see you all. So this is what I want to do. First of all, you're going to get to help me out, all of you. But Sam, I'm going to do this for you first. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to name a playing card. I think I know which card you're going to say, because every time I play this game, ladies always seem to say the same card. And I know this sounds crazy, but I believe I know what card you're going to say. So whenever you're ready, if you could name a playing card, that would be great.
9 of spades.
Yes. Everyone says the 9 of spades.
Oh. Oh.
I know you think that's ridiculous. So name any other card. Name any other card.
The 3 of hearts.
Second most popular card.
Uncanny.
You chose the 3 of hearts and the 9 of spades. Which one do you want?
X.
The 9 of spades.
I want to show you something. Before my show started, there was a pack of cards sitting here the whole time. And I'd gone to the trouble to remove one single card and actually turn it upside down and put it right back in the middle of the pack.
No.
It wasn't just any card.
No!
It was a 9 of spades. Everybody says the 9 of spades.
Okay.
Is he a teacher? He's a magician, Max.
A teacher. Yeah, I listen to my teacher.
So while we have you all here, okay, Lula and Max, you're going to help me as well. I'm going to take off my watch
Uh-huh.
and I'm going to set it to a time. So if I pull this out and I just go around like this, Max, would you say stop at any time?
Okay, keep on going.
Keep on going.
Oh, that's a good start.
It's not a good start, Max. Go. Max.
Any time now, Max.
Finish.
Yes?
Finish.
Yes.
Finish.
Okay, good. I'm going to push it in right there. Now, there's no way you can know what time I've set this to. But Lula, if I were to ask you
Oh, man.
what hour of the day it was, what hour do you think it would be?
3 o'clock.
3. And how many minutes past 3, Max? Between a number between 1 and 59. What do you reckon?
3 hours.
Is it 3 minutes past? Is it 3 minutes past 3? Yeah.
So you've chosen a time between you, and you chose 3 minutes past 3. Have a look at the time on my watch.
No!
Oh my God.
You are a crazy
Well
man.
done, guys. Absolutely wonderful.
You are so crazy.
Wow. Well, look, I've got time for a couple more things, and I want to show you them. And I'm going to go back to Karen and Isaac. So if we go back to you guys, and what I'd like you to do, hang on just 1 second, we'll get you on the screen there. We're going to play a little game. I have got a number of different shapes. I've got a star, a cross, 3 wavy lines, a square, and a circle. And I'm going to place these down on my table. Now, this is a live shot, okay? This is happening right now. This is me just here. Hello, still me. And I'm going to put these down on the table. So we've got a circle, and we've got a square, 3 wavy lines, a cross, and a star. And between you both, we're going to see if it's possible for you to use your psychic intuition and do something amazing. So I've got another 5 cards which match these shapes exactly. And I'm going to give them a little mix and a little muddle, but I am going to take a look at the top one so I know what it is. And Isaac, I want you to tell me, do you think this card right here is the circle, the cross, the 3 wavy lines, the square, or the star?
3 wavy lines?
Now, you had no way of knowing whether that was right or wrong. Was that just a guess?
Yeah.
That's so weird.
Okay.
That's very strange. You literally just went for that. It was like no thought there at all. You just went, it's like a gut instinct. But let's mix them again. I'm not even going to look at them myself now. Okay, so let's do it again. Which one do you reckon this is?
Square?
Square. Okay, and this one?
A cross?
Okay, and this one?
A star?
And this one?
A circle?
And this one has to go to the 3 wavy lines. Do you want to change any of them about?
Don't change them.
Okay, I'll change the 3 wavy lines one and the circle.
3 wavy lines and the circle. Okay, we'll move them over like that. Karen, are you happy with that, or do you want to move any of them around?
I'd like to change the star and the wavy lines, please.
Okay, so we've basically changed almost everything that we just did. But that's all right. That's why it's fun, because you get to make the ultimate decisions. Are you guys happy?
Yes.
I mean, even I don't know the outcome of this, because I didn't know what order they were in. But the odds of this working are 120 to 1. Let's have a look and see how you did. This wouldn't be extraordinary,
Oh.
because at the last minute you moved the star and the 3 wavy lines.
Oh my Lord.
And come on. Yes!
Yeah.
You got it.
Wow.
Unreal. Thank you very much indeed for your help. How'd you do that?
Thank you.
How did you do that? Look, I want to finish off by getting everybody to join in. So whether you're right here with me in this moment, there's obviously 7 of us here right now, or the hundreds of people that are watching as well this evening live, what I'd like you to do is to grab your phone or your calculator. I've got my phone as well. So if you can grab a phone yep, go and grab one now, or a calculator, and we will do something absolutely astounding. So this is what we'll do. I'm going to ask everyone to think of a number, but not just a random number. I want you to imagine yourself drawing a house. And as you draw the door, you're going to put a door number in the middle of the house. And I'm going to ask Sam to name any door number you wish.
and tell you.
Yes, say it out loud.
Max has chosen.
Go on, Max, what is it?
100 Central Town.
100 what?
100 is the number.
One.
Central town is the
Oh,
street.
100 in Central
Yep.
Town.
Okay, and is it exactly door number 100? Is it 100 and something?
110,000.
No, sensible answer.
164.
164. I like that answer. Everyone put 164 into your calculator like that. 164. Now, I want you to press multiply times. And Sam, can I ask you something? Do you like the occasional alcoholic beverage?
Oh, yes, she does.
Don't give away my secrets. Yes, I do.
I knew I'd chosen the right person. Sam, I want you to think about how many alcoholic drinks you might have had in the last month. And then
64?
I want you to multiply it by 10.
I've got a problem. My phone's not working.
Oh, that's all right. Well, everyone else is still doing it. So think of how many drinks you had in the last month and then multiply it by 10.
Okay. Oh, hang on. I've got my things now. Hang on.
That's it.
164. Sorry, start. 164 multiplied by.
Think of the number of drinks alcoholic drinks you've had in the last month and then multiply it by 10.
Okay.
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 What is it?
400.
No, but multiply it by 10. Oh, you have. It's all right. Everyone put times 400 and press equals.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
All right, and everyone should have that
Yes.
exact number. 65600. Now I want you to press add.
yeah.
Press add, and we're going to get a 4-digit number. Could I ask you, Karen, to give us the 4-digit PIN code to your bank?
No.
No, don't. I'm kidding. Don't worry. Karen, I want you to give me the last 4 digits of any phone number that you know.
Oh, God. Hang on. I'm trying to think of not my mobile. No, that's my mobile. Hang on. What's Grandma's name?
Any four digits.
5529.
5529.
5529.
5529. Everyone put plus 5529. Okay, and press equals, and that should give you 71129. Yes?
Yeah.
Good. I want you to press minus. Everyone press minus.
Yeah.
We're going to get a 5-digit number. I'm going to do this quickly because I know that we've got a lot to do this evening. So I'm going to hit the screen 5 times randomly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everyone put in 39909. And then
Just enter it.
yeah, because you press minus 39909. Press equals.
Yeah.
And does that give you
Yeah.
31,220?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good, everyone's got that. Keep that in front of you. I'm hoping you guys at
Yeah.
home have got that as well. 31,220. Now remember the envelope that's been here since the very beginning? Well, it never left your sight, not even for a second. But look, inside the
No
envelope
worry.
is a number. And that number is 31,220.
No! How is that possible?
Well, I'll tell you how it's possible. It's because when I asked for a door number, my friend said 164.
This is me. Yeah.
And when I asked you how many drinks you had and multiply it by 10, you said 400.
Oh my goodness.
And when I asked for a 4-digit phone number, the last 4 digits, you said 5529. And that's how I knew it would be 31,220.
Amazing.
But wait just a second, because believe it or not, what you've just seen is unique. It won't happen again next year, next month, next week, or even tomorrow. It will only happen on the 3rd of December, 2020, because that's tonight. Enjoy the rest of the Wackle Gala dinner. Thank you very much.
Woo! Wow.
Thank you for all of your help.
Brilliant.
Thank
That
you
is
so much.
amazing.
Have fun.
Thank you so much.
Wow.